Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel. Today we will start new lesson, polynomial. This chapter consists 5 exercises. First exercise 2.1 discusses polynomial in one or more variable. Today we are going to learn about exercise 2.1. Before starting exercise 2.1, you should know what is polynomial. Polynomial means it is a chain of polynomial, means chain of terms. Terms means algebraic expression. For example, 2x. This is one term. 2x is a term. Here 2 is a number part. It is called coefficient. And this is variable. So 2x is a polynomial having only one term. Another example, 5x squared plus 3x plus 1. It is having 3 terms, 5x squared, 3x and 1. So this expression is having 3 terms. And in polynomial, the power of variable in each term should be whole number. For example, here 2x, the power of x is 1. It is a whole number. And in this expression, the first term is a 5x squared. The power of x is 2, whole number. The power of x is here 1. So whole number. Here there is no x term. So what should we do? We can rewrite x to the power 0. Okay, x to the power 0, value is 1. So here the power of x is 0. 0 is a whole number. Then only we can say this expression is a polynomial. Now we will start exercise. First question in exercise 2.1. First question. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Start the reason for your answer. The first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. The first one is 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. We have to check this expression is a polynomial in one variable or not. So we can rewrite this one as 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. It is not having any variable, no. So we can write x to the power 0. Now, except x, is there any other variable in this expression? No, only x is the only variable in this expression. And check the power of each terms. Here the power of the first term, power of x is 2. So power of here 2, and for the next term the power of the second term is 1. X power, that nothing is there, no? It means that x to the power 1, and the next term 0. So here the power of x squared is 2. Here in the second term the power of x is 1, and the third term the power of x is 0. So that's why these three are whole numbers, no? So whole numbers, 0 or 2 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number and 0 is a whole number. So that's why this is a polynomial in one variable. So this expression is a polynomial in one variable. So it is yes. Second question. Y squared plus root 2. We can rewrite y squared plus root 2 as y squared plus root 2 y power 0. So in the first term, check the first term, that is y squared is the first term. The power of y is 2 whole number and the power of y is 0. So 2 and 0 are whole numbers. No. And second part, what we have to check the next one, that is check any other variable in the expression or not. No other variable except y. Y is the only variable. No. So that's why this is also polynomial with one variable. Third one. Three root t plus t root 2. So we can rewrite this expression as, this is third part in the first question, 3 root t plus t root 2. So we can rewrite this expression as 3 t power, square root means its power is 1 by 2, no, plus t root 2, we can write root 2 t. And in this expression, t is the only variable. So that one we checked. T is the only variable in this expression. The next one, we have to check the power of each term. So here, t, its power is 1 by 2. And here, in the second term, its power is 1. So the powers are 1 by 2 and 1. But 1 by 2 is not the whole number. Whole numbers, what are the whole numbers? 0 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, no? But 1 by 2 is not the whole number. So this is a whole number, but this is not the whole number. So that's why this expression, the 3 root t plus t root 2 is not, it's not a polynomial. What's the reason? The reason is the power of t is not the whole number. That's why it is not the polynomial. And fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Y plus, we can rewrite y to the power minus 1. Because y is in the denominator, so that's why we can rewrite 2 by y as 2y to the power minus 1. And here y is the only variable. Y is the only variable in this expression. Here y and here y. There is any other variable except y in this expression. And check the powers. The power of the first term is 1. Power of the first term is 1. And the power of second term is minus 1. So the powers are 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is a whole number? No, minus 1 is not the whole number. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 0 and only the positive numbers. Right? So that's why 1 and minus 1 are powers. Minus 1 is not the whole number. So that's why this is not the polynomial. This expression is not the polynomial. And fifth question. Fourth one, right? Fourth one. Y plus, sorry, it is fifth one only. X to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Here we are having three variables and the power of the first term is x to the power 10. So here the power is 10 and y to the power 3 and t to the power 50. So these all are the powers. So powers are whole numbers only. Those are whole numbers. But check the variable x, y, t are three variables in this expression. But the question is, we have to check it is a polynomial with one variable or not. So the given expression is the polynomial, but it is not having only one variable. It is having three variables. So that's why it is not a polynomial with only one variable. And second question, write the coefficient of x squared. Write the coefficients of x squared. So I already told you what is coefficient. Coefficient means the number form part in the terms. Number part of the term. So the first one, first question is 2 plus x squared plus x. So the given expression is 2 plus x squared plus x. We have to find out the coefficient of x squared. We have to find out the coefficient of x squared and check x squared term is in the expression or not. Yes, x squared term is in this expression. 2 plus x squared is there. Yes, what is the coefficient? So here the we can rewrite this polynomial as 2 plus 1x squared plus x. No, because there is no number part. We can rewrite. There is no number part it means it is the number part is 1. So what is the coefficient of x squared? This is the coefficient. So 1 is the coefficient. 1 is the coefficient of x squared. Second question. Two minus x squared plus x cube. We have to find out the coefficient of x squared. So check x squared term is in the expression or not. Yes, x squared term is in the expression. And what is the number part? So I already told you here there is no number part means minus x squared. It means it is 1x squared only. And what is the here 1 means before that minus sign is there. It means that coefficient of x squared is minus 1. Minus 1 because the number part is here minus 1. And third one, pi by 2 x squared plus x. Here x squared term is there and pi by 2 this is also number. So the number part of x squared is pi by 2. So the coefficient of x squared is pi by 2. And fourth one, square root of x minus 1. So here check x squared part is there or not. X squared term is not there. So we can rewrite this expression as 0x squared plus square root 2x minus 1. Anyhow the value will not change. So now check what is the. So now we have to check what is the number part of x squared. Here the number part of x squared is 0. So our answer is coefficient of x squared is 0. So we completed second question. Before starting third question, you should know what is monomial, binomial and trinomial, because you are going to deal with monomial, binomial and trinomial in the next question. So that's why it's very easy. What is monomial? Monomial means it is also polynomial. Polynomial having only one term. Polynomial having only one term. For example, x squared, 5x, 3x, like that. And the next one is binomial. What is binomial? Bi means 2. Bi means 2. So having two terms. Having two terms. Two terms polynomial is called binomial. And trinomial. Trinomial. We know what is a tri. Tri means 3. So having 3 terms. 3 terms polynomial is called trinomial. So what we know, what is monomial, what is binomial and what is trinomial. Monomial means having only one term, binomial means having 2 terms and trinomial means having 3 terms. Now we can start third question. And third question is, give one example each of the binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So here binomial of degree 35. So we can write any. Here I already given one example, that is binomial of degree 35 can be 3x to the power 35 minus 4. Okay, otherwise we can write binomial of degree 35. No, we should have only another example is binomial of degree 35. So x to the power 35 plus 2. This is also one of the example binomial, and of a monomial of degree 100. So 100 it is, we can write only monomial. No, it is, so x to the power 100. So it is having degree 100. That's it. So next, fourth question. So write degree. Write degree of the polynomial. So what is degree? So degree is the highest power of the variable. So what is a degree? Degree means the highest power. Highest power of the variable is called degree. So the first question, 5x cube plus 4x squared plus 7x. This polynomial is having 3 terms. This is the first term. First term is 5x cube. So the power of the first term is 3. And second term is 4x squared. The power of the second term is 2. And the third term is 7x. The power of the third term is 1. So here, which is the highest one? Which is the greatest number? 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. The degree of this polynomial is 3. So the highest power, that's it. And second one, 4 minus y squared. 4 minus y squared. Here the power of the first term, it is having two terms now. 4 is one term, the another term is minus y squared. And the power of the first term is 4, so we can write 4y to the power 0. So here y squared. So here the power is 0, and here the power of y is 2. So what are the powers? 0 and 2 are the powers of this polynomial. And which is the greatest one, 0 or 2? 2 is the greatest number. So that's why the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. And third question, 5t minus square root of 7. So here 5t, we can rewrite this expression as a 5t minus square root of 7 t power 0. And check the power of the first term is here t to the power 1, here t to the power 0. So 1 and 0 are the powers of this polynomial. So which is the greatest one? 1. 1 is the degree of this polynomial. 1 is the degree of 5t minus square root t. So answer is 1. Fifth question, classify as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. That is our third question. So before starting fifth question, we should know what is linear. Linear means the highest power, that is degree. Degree of the polynomial should be 1. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. And what is quadratic? Quadratic means the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. And cubic, degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubical polynomial. That's it. So we have to check only its degree. First question, x squared plus x. So what is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial? Here the power is 2. The second term its power is 1. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree is 2. So that's why it is a quadratic polynomial. It is quadratic polynomial. And second question, x minus x cube. The power of first term is 1 and the power of second term is 3. So the highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. So that's why it is cubical polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And third one, y plus y squared plus 4. So here the power of y is 1 and power of y is 2. Here the power of y is 0. No? So here powers are 1, 2, 0. So 2 is the greatest one. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. So that's why it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And fourth one, 1 plus x. So 1, its power is 0 because we can rewrite this expression as 1 x to the power 0 plus x. No? So the power of this term is 0 and the power of the second term is 1. So 1 is the greatest one. So the degree of this expression is 1. So it is linear polynomial. It is linear polynomial. Fifth one, 3t. T to the power 1. So that's why it is linear polynomial. And sixth one, r squared. So the power of r is 2. The power of the variable is 2. So that's why it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And seventh one, 7x cube. It is having only one term, but the variable having power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. So that's why it is cubic polynomial. We completed exercise 2.1. See you all again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.